Welcome to a new lecture of this playlist. Before starting this video, I would request you all to please subscribe this channel and access the playlist, as this channel is new and needs your support to grow. The link of the playlist is in the description box. Today we will learn some computer networking basic overview required in ethical hacking. So let's start the tutorial. What is a network? A network is a group of computers or devices connected to share information, e.g., internet, printers, files. Think of it like a road system connecting houses, computers, to allow delivery, data. IP address, Internet Protocol address. It's like your home's address but for your computer. Example, 192.168.1.1 IPv4, or longer ones like 2001:0 DB8:85A3, 7334 IPv6. Every device on a network has its own IP address. Why it's important? Hackers target specific devices using their IP addresses. To check your IP address, search on your browser. What is my IP? Then click on the first link. DNS, Domain Name System, converts website names, like google.com, into IP addresses that computers can understand. Imagine it like a phone book for the internet. Why it's important? Hackers can trick DNS systems to redirect you to fake websites. This is called DNS spoofing. Ports and protocols. Ports, these are like doors on your computer for different types of traffic. Example, port 80, for normal websites, HTTP. Port 443, for secure websites, HTTPS. Port 22, for secure remote access, SSH. Protocols, rules for communication between devices. Examples, HTTP, browsing websites. FTP, uploading/downloading files. SMTP, sending emails. Why it's important? Hackers use open or weak ports to enter systems. Firewalls. A firewall is like a security guard. It blocks bad data from entering your computer while letting safe data through. Why it's important? It helps stop hackers from accessing your network. VPN, virtual private network. A VPN hides your real location and encrypts your data, making it safe on public Wi-Fi. Think of it as wearing an invisibility cloak online. Why it's important? It keeps hackers from stealing your data in public places. Network scanning tools. Tools like Nmap and Wireshark help find problems in a network. Ethical hackers use these tools to secure systems. Simple analogy. Think of them like detectives that help you find clues about what's happening in your network. With this we have reached end of our tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. I would like to request you to post your comments regarding topics which you want to be covered in this course. See you in the next video. Like this video and share it with your friends who want to learn cybersecurity. And do not forget to subscribe and access this cybersecurity playlist. Thank you.